the mindset a new agent should have when they first start is a hungry mindset. You want to be around the brokerage as much as possible. You want to learn as much as possible. You want to, surround yourself with the people who are closing deals. See how they're talking to clients. See how they're following up with leads. You really want to immerse yourself in everything real estate. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, and really learn every aspect of real estate. So that way you go from, a new agent to an experienced agent a lot faster than you would if you just try to figure it out all on your own, where you're like, all right, I got my license. Now, I guess I'll just figure it out from here. No, be around everybody who does real estate. And that's why I stress joining the right brokerage, because here at Dream Select, that's what we preach. Like, we try to give everybody all the tools to be successful. And we also give you opportunities. So if somebody has an open house, I might say, hey, sit at this open house with so-and-so, just so that you hear how they talk, you see how they move, you see how they fill out offer sheets and whatever else they need to do. And that'll get you experience a lot faster. So now when you have a deal, you're not sitting there like, all right, now I got to ask all those questions that you feel are dumb questions, but they're not dumb questions. You just didn't put in the time to learn. So you need to be around everybody who's doing it so you can learn faster.